मेरी गाड़ी.
I gave you my heart.
Hello guys, welcome to my hair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you 5 cute hairstyles. Here we go. Now pick some of the hair and put it a knot like this and pin it up tightly so that it will not fall off. Pin it up tightly. And the rest of the hair just twist it and then pin it that too. Pin it tightly. Once you're done, just loose it up so it will look like some mess and it will be look pretty too. That's it. Here you go. It's a mid-twist pony. Now take some of the hair from the middle and take it from the end too so that it will be so tight. Now tie it up with rubber band. Just make some gap in between and pull through that hair. You can take it from right to left or left to right. Sorry, I got confused. When you are loosening it up, you should hold it tightly. Now pick some of the hair from the sides and just tie it up that. Now the rest of the hair and this pony too, make it as a single pony. Now take this hair and twist it and pull through this pony and tie that, and it's done. It's a mid-twist pony. It's look pretty, right? If you want some poof in between, you can just loose it up, but hold it in the end so it will not look so mess. First just make a poof and now take a hair from side and twist it and hold it tightly, then loose it up. Now pin it. Do the same on the other side. Just twist it and pin it. And here you go. It's pretty, right? I really love this hairstyle. Just pick some of the hair from the middle and it should be from the end too, and make a pony. And do the same. Just do the same, and here too. Make some gap and twist it and tight it. That's it. Then loose it up so that it will look so thicker. The same. Same here too. And now make it as a single pony. Now just make a pony the rest of the hair and make a gap in between, then twist it. So silky, her hair is so silky. I just loved her hair. And now just pull through that upper pony and tie it. When you are loosening it up, you should hold it tight. We don't have any clip there, so she's a makeup artist. She's having this flower, golden flower, something. When you are loosening it up, it will look so thick, and here you go. It's so pretty, right? It's so twisted. It's a twisty corporate bride. Just pick some of the hair from side to side and make a twist, and then loose it up. Do the same. Take some part of the hair and make a pony, and then just twist it. You can leave it as it is because it's so pretty, right? You can just leave it. You can go out with this. Use some clip at the end. It will look so pretty. Use some clip. Just do the same process as we did before. Twist it, tight it, loosen it up, and hold it tightly when you are loosening it up. Now I'm just making some normal bride. After you put that bride, just do like this, so it will look like more thicker and broader. If you have a thin hair, no problem, you can do this, so it will look so broader and thicker. So here you go. And you can use some design clips over it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Follow me on Instagram for more hair tutorial videos. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Monisha. As I already mentioned, she's a makeup artist. You can book your makeover too and check your page. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share your love. Bye.